welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia speaks about the healthcare industry, and what she's doing. And she speaks about, the people that you normally work with in these fields when you live in and you help them. They normally leave things for you. And that is a true thing because I've seen that in reality before. And so I do know that that's true. People do leave things, when they die, they leave things for the persons that worked with them for a couple of years or, whenever if they like them. So go ahead, catch a video, hear what she has to say about this and more. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And also for all my beautiful lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful, wonderful birthdays today, remember that today is your day. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies and friends, my supporters, my followers, or those who just come to look, I wish you a wonderful day.
They might rewrite them will and say, listen, give Marcia $120,000. Give her a 10. That's how them do it all the time. When you work with them good and work with them and like you, they left something for you. The family will also consider you to give you all 110 grand. I want 20,000. Some of them even give it a house. Some of them even call people behind closed door, lawyers, and said, listen, will my house. So I think one of my acquaintances was telling me about, I know two person who got house from white people many years ago. One Jamaican lady come up and do a living job of flushing. And she came up and she got the job and take care of the woman. When the woman did, the woman will everything to be goes to the woman. The woman not even get green card yet. Then I know this personal person where some Jewish people left for the house in the Bronx many years ago. She sold it and buy one house in the Queens. Because it was in a Jewish neighborhood. Big, nice house. You have a lot of people who take care of people for 10, 15 years, 5 years, the family give them something. If the family don't have nothing, have no children, they sure know say you're going to get the house if you take care of a patient. You so you then go run away and say, me want the man house. This a man house, yeah. Me not if you want this a man house, because a man having grandchildren, them, whole heap of grandpitney and son. So you soon go run away, you soon go hear them run away and say, I work for get him man house. See, some my supporters are text me and say one lady where she know her mom work for get $40,000. Yes, if them like you, treat them good. They are going to treat you good. So be careful you treat patient. Because some of them you think they don't have nothing, they have something. And if them sister them children is not coming around, why you think that a lot of times in this nursing field, there was a Jamaican lady who the white people them take to court. They never come around and then left the money give to the woman, the house, and they were in court. And I think some shooting did go on. Did they come and find they hire somebody to kill the lady? It was in Long Island many years ago. Yes. They hire somebody to get rid of her. So when you get house like that, sometimes the family fight against you, sell it and go your way. So you never know. You treat people good, but it's not for say that you're whatever, but I'm just saying. It's about if you're not in it to care about others, you don't do it. A lot of them in there for the money. Just like McDonald's and Burger King raise them price and certain places don't pay you that money. But if you're in the union, you're going to get $20 an hour. When we went to legislature branch last year, we were aiming for 25. Now them pass it for 22. Because a piece of paper me get they then pass it for 22. But right now they're paying out 19.75. And gradually you will get the fitting pieces. That has through the 1199 union. The rest of people and we are work, they not get that in a regular agency. The agency just a pinch it out with drop one like 50 cents I want like a 25 cents now and then. That's it. That's all they do. So you have to know if you treat them right. When it comes to people like this, God, that is what God loves. You have to treat people just like how you treat your parents. Because remember, how you treat people, also you want yourself to treat myself. Maybe it's a possibility you're gonna get old one day, When you see persons are 95 and 96, almost 100, those people, because I was talking to my client today and he was like, I said, have you ever been to war? Him said, yes. When I was 17, I went to world, I was in the war. I went to Japan. I was 17. Me say, when was that? Him said, 1940. Me say, how long you spend? Him say, him spent 2 years. You understand? And come back home. He never been back. So when you look at somebody who been through the era of, and me said, how was it that back then? He said it was okay. We never have no TV. TV never came in until in the 1950s. We had to, them the time they have to buy ice. They had them something there you have to heat everything same time. Milk your cow, you get the milk and you get the cow and whatever. Him said those times were hard. But them the time they were hard, it was a learning experience for us to learn back now. Me no business with the SID, Nubian Queen, Me no business with the SID. I for them business if they want to tell patient things. Me have respect for my patient because my patient have respect for me. You understand? Me no business with her. I want bridge me burn and me not pick up a bridge there. You understand? So me not even want to hear about she, to tell you the truth. Once me burn the bridge, me not cross the bridge again. If me fi cross the bridge there, me and her must end up in a courthouse. You understand? So that is one bridge. Cause the girl do me some bridge or something on social media last year. Me burn the bridge already. A whole heap of them me burn out here. Uh-huh. So that is it. Anybody have anything to say? Who said they were gonna call in? Uh-huh. Me no business how they want to treat for them as long as me treat my own right. Uh-huh. That is it. Me have a perfect record nice a business, yeah. Me used to have patient requests me. Me used to go work and even when a patient them a go a special occasion and me they ask for the agency to come. If you come carry them. Them not ask it a girl and a fear time I work. And me them ask. You know why? Because me ever put myself together. So dressing is very important. Personal hygiene is very important with these old people. You people have to understand that these people who are living, you have to look at their pictures and look at their lifestyle. And like for this a gentleman, I look at his picture, I can see him did have a boat. See him having boat in the water. That I in his younger days. Remember I said this a man I retire before me born, So you know. So you observe and look at him. You see the way him is, that him very neat, him very classy in a one way. You look at his picture. So I'm teaching you guys something. So when you go into the home and you look at their picture and see, say, there were some high class dressing and love to live life. You can't go in them house and look anyhow. You must present yourself nice. And that is how I do it. Whenever I go to their workplace, a lot of them don't want to wear uniform. And a lot of you guys are wearing uniform. Them love to see wearing proper clothes and fixing up yourself around patient. It would allow them to have a better attitude and to feel better within themselves. When you go around them and you wear nursing clothes and when you don't have to wear it, they make them feel like them sick. That's why most of them don't want to go outside with you. Tell me if I lie, me I tell. Them don't want, even if them want to go outside to go to the movies and go to restaurant, them don't want to go because them feel embarrassed because you have your nursing clothes. They love when you have on nice clothes. So with me now, I love to wear colorful, vibrant clothes and put it on. And when them look upon you, them said, yes, you fix up yourself, you fix up your hair nicely, put on a little something, and they're gonna say, wow, because them love to do it. Don't talk about the one them we're going in a mirror and spend hours and hours at just a morning time. I put on makeup and them in the 80s and 90s. And them still dress up nice and pretty. You have to follow them too. Them love when they dress. Them don't want them also in a uniform. Because them don't want the neighbors to know that they're sick. They especially the one them will still have them head on them shoulder. So when me work, from over the years in me work, me no wear no uniform unless me a work in the hospital. Anytime me a work in the home, me have on my nice clothes. And when me wake up morning time, Marcia, oh my gosh, Marcia, you look so pretty. Me say, what would I me fix them up? Me put on them makeup and them rouge. I me fix up them hair and pretty them up. Even when them family coming over, me extra pretty them up. Me say, okay, let me put on the makeup on your face, because I know me love to do makeup. I me fix them up and brush up them hair and whatever and them, and when them look them say, wow, that are the one them when I really have the time to fix up themselves. I fix up themselves. I fix up them. Them like to feel young. And by you going to the house now I wear these nursing clothes. Them not like that. Them that's why some of them no treat you know so that have the attitude. Them don't want that. Oh no coming at the people them house and looking all kind of way. All kind of way. All kind of way. Uno looking. Uno not uno hair raggedy. Uno have on tied pound head. Uno not doing nothing. I wanna have on the same uniform every day. Them don't want that. Listen, me I beg gonna do. Nobody come over here and tell me about the boy there, to tell the gamma the truth. You have to realize, make him play it over and over. Him cost me worse than she. And him supporters then cost me worse than she. Make him play it over and over. The boy desperate for money. See janitor sell the house, them now the more house to go in a soon. If you go brag and boast and sit down in a pretty chair and spin and go pick pepper, make him stand there. Make him stay there. Him and the girl is mad. It told them if he's a psychiatrist. She's also the same person like he is, bipolar. Certified bipolar, I told them. So I told them birds of a feather flock together. Let me get back to my regular routine and but I interrupt me with the boy. Me I beg you do. In time will come. Let's sleep in dark lie. There is more than one day for skin a cow and a dog and a pig and a chicken. Okay? All right. So it is very important for you guys to put on some pretty colors. You see, like how, you see, if you're in the house now, like how me love to wear them like a African clothes, yeah? In the house is very light. I don't understand how someone know in the house and taking care of patient and having them tight clothes. They're not free. The clothes them are not free. Sometimes when I bend down on a drawers a show, on it too tight. Wear loose fitting clothes. If you're not going nowhere in the house on live in, put on the nice little pretty African clothes. Put on the nice little pretty African clothes and it much better for you for maneuver the patient. You're on speaker.
Marcia,
Yes?
you still on the live?
Yes, I'm still on the live.
There's a long I was calling you to put my 2 cents in.
Okay.
Marcia, I love you. I have you on my Facebook page.
Uh-huh.
And you know what you need to do? Ignore these people. Don't
Uh-huh.
pay these people no mind. Many days I've been like, damn, many days I have been trying to sending you the pretty screen, but my phone changed. And you gotta remember your Google account,
Mm-hmm.
some crap like that. And every time when I want to send it, they keep saying, what is your Google password? And who could remember the Google password?
Me no remember it either. Every day, every minute me want to go on a Google, me change it.
Yeah, I cannot. The App Store. I gotta let my son change it. I'm saying, oh my God, look, I want to send Marcia some money. Just let Marcia don't send nothing to these people. Hey, Marcia, you way better than these people. Let me tell you something.
I mean, I tell.
I look at a lot of these bloggers from Jamaica, and let me tell you something. Three is on my list. Three. You know what I tell you?
Mm-hmm.
You is number one. You is number. I don't care what nobody say. And everything. Yo, it's a lot of shit. It's a lot of shit, Marcia. You need to just ignore these people.
That's
And
true.
okay, ignore them. Not say nothing to them. Every dog have his day. Leave these people.
But me not miss. It kind of hard, when people are tell lie upon you, Me not
Yes,
lie,
I understand that.
Cause you see,
Yes,
true, me is a
yes.
kind of girl where me have me full of pride in a certain things. I mean, know so nothing go so. It hard for when somebody lie upon you like that. Like
I look
like how
at
that girl company
blessings from
show
Jamaica.
and
And you
tell
see
whole
that
heap a
woman.
lie and
You
fabricate
see
stories.
that woman what come from Jamaica say that she coming to sue people. I want you to open up a lawsuit. But then she gonna know what's like barley a grow.
Mm-hmm.
Then she's gonna know. Then she's gonna see what is the law. Let you come and take anybody to court. Then people only talking and yapping and doing nothing. Doing what? First of all, if you come here on a visitor's visa and you want to take somebody to court, it takes months. You know what is months? And right now, them courts don't have time to hear no foolishness.
Then not even have time for year certain things. I take
Eh?
anybody I take nobody a quote now it a take all a year and a half, 9 months,
First of
10
all,
months.
first of all, it takes a year just for them to start processing your petition.
Mm-hmm.
She a come take you to go. And it's just big, just stupid talk. I cannot stand that woman. Yo, I sure, but Ted, I despise that woman.
And where you come from? Where you live? Where you come from?
I'm
Original.
from Guyana. Guyana.
Guyana. Okay.
Many days I want to say, my God, why Marcia? Why she answering to these people? Why leave them? All of them is fucking dogs. They're just looking for money. Everybody, they're hungry. These
Mm-hmm.
people are hungry.
Very hungry.
Lying. I can't stand them.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot take them. Mm. She coming here to the what? Take who the court? Who are you taking the court? You is one of the biggest scammers they have in Jamaica. Please, if you were just talking bullshit before, oh, I have five lawyers. Anyway, I am. Do not listen to them people. I don't listen to them. I don't listen to them. They're just a fucking noise. Stupid people running with bullshit. They don't know the fucking law. They don't know American law. There's no way you have a visitor's visa and you come in here but you sue somebody. You gotta go through a lot of shit. It's a lot of process. It's a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that people don't mind. The women are coming for sue nobody or anything. They want a break. You will sue anybody for what?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that people don't mind Marcia. Listen to me. And you know what? You live in America not too long to know certain things. You know better.
Mm-hmm.
You know better. I came here in 1982. And I've been listening to some of them and just laugh. Like, look at these idiots. Hear them. What are they talking about? What are you talking about?
You buy any house since you came here?
If I buy a house?
Mm-hmm.
Nah. Mm-mm.
How long you live here?
How long I'm in America?
Mm-hmm.
1982. I came here.
So you did about 30 odd years or so.
Yeah. I came here when I was 15, 14. I'm going to be 15.
You came here about when you were 15?
Yeah, 14.
14 years old?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you did about close to my time too.
Yeah, because that's a mark. You know better than people talking like shit.
So
I tell
how you
you,
feel about when people are say when we there long and I buy no house? Or what do you have to say about that?
Marcia, you listen to me.
This you
You
there
know how much of them buy house.
42
A lot of
years.
them look at the house there. A lot of them houses are in foreclosure. That to run. Leave it and run. I have family. Most of my family, they have their own home.
Mm-hmm.
They have their own home. And some of them, they move. Come, my cousin like, oh, let's go live in Virginia.
So
I said,